Hey, this is Brian Stephens with eXp Realty. I want to show you this brand new Hulbert home. This is the Ridgewood. And so this is 4-bedroom, 3-bath plus an office, 3-car garage. It's a really well laid out floor plan. The goal here today is to give you a slower, a little bit more detailed walkthrough of this home so you can get an idea of the flow, the floor plan, some of the upgrades and that sort of thing. So without further ado, let's check it out. Okay, so this is the exterior of the Ridgewood. It is located on a corner lot. So it's got a nice size lot. We've got a brand new home being built on the other side of it too. So this is located in Delphi Hills off Clubhouse Road in southeast Lakeland, close to the Polk County Parkway. You've got Publix, you've got schools really close. And so it's a fantastic location. You can see the gutters on the front here. It's really a nice design on the outside. So let's walk up here. Let me back up. So you can see you're gonna have pavers on the sidewalk, pavered driveway over there, along with a pavered rear porch. You're gonna notice some of the details that you're gonna get on a brand new Hulbert home. By the way, 2-year builder's warranty with a Hulbert home, not your standard builder warranty of 1 year. So this is a market-ready home, yet it is still loaded with a lot of upgrades. So when you first walk in, try to be as slow as possible, yet keep you moving. When you first walk in, you can see there's crown molding all in the main parts of the home. All right, so this is gonna be a dining room, if you will. Let me just kind of come around here. So it's got double windows. Does have crown molding in the dining room in this case. Straight ahead is going to be the mudroom, which I'll show you that in just a minute. So backing up, when you come straight in, this is going to be an office. Double doors, so you can close this off. High ceilings, check out those beautiful ceilings. Plenty of light and natural light. Now there's no closet in here, so it's really an office. Okay. You've got the beautiful flooring here, which is really, really nice. So let's back up. So let me take you straight up again. You've got tray ceilings. Again, crown molding. Beautiful sliding glass doors. Now there's a plug, there's an outlet right here. So you can, the idea is to put a couch, like a sectional. And if you have a lamp, an end table, you have a plug-in couch that, reclines. You don't have to stretch cords across the floor. And then this is going to be the place for your entertainment center, your massive 75, 85-inch TV. And then this is the master bedroom, so it is a split design. Let's look around this gorgeous kitchen. Check this out. Color selection, we have such an amazing decorator. She does a great job. So you can see all the fine touch here. Now this does not have a pool, but you could add a pool on this home. There'll just be one home directly behind it, that's it. Pretty good distance away. This is a great place for an eat-in nook table. Okay, so these are, well, you can see the cool tile backsplash with the design. These are Quartz countertops, to give you an idea. Okay, love the low hanging microwave. Okay, and you have a closet pantry. You have an island here which you could put a couple bar stools up. This has a gas range. And your dishwasher is right back here. There's a trash cabinet, if you will. Pull that out, the trash can. Now, there's natural gas here in Delphi Hills, which is really nice. Back toward the front, kind of get the idea. So let's go over here to the master bedroom. This flooring's gonna flow all the way here. So look at the nice size with even the kick-out triple windows here in the master bedroom. Heading into the master bath. This is really nice. It's got 2 walk-in closets. So you can see the ceramic tile flooring heading back this way. So this is one of the closets. Solid shelving. See, it goes way up, so plenty of room for your hanging items. It's nice and clean looking. Now, I did fail to remove the ladder in here. My apologies, but there is room here, and here. And there's attic access here on this side of the house. So you've got your toilet room, your water closet, if you will, right here. You slow down and back up. So grand entrance for your master bathroom. Linen closet to the right. You're gonna see these nice, they're all slow close, framed mirror, upgraded lights fixtures. Towel bar whenever you exit the shower. So really nice size master bathroom, okay? So let's head to the other side of the home. It's really a triple split plan. Okay, so we're gonna take you right through here. So right off the kitchen, you've got the mudroom. Remember looking back here, this was the dining, which we were just at the front of the house. Hopefully this is giving you a good idea. But you can see the place you can hang backpacks, knickknacks. You've got room for shoes. 3-car side entrance garage with the flex flooring. Nice size 3-car garage. And then you've got, that is to pull down. You've got some attic stairs here. That's just like a handle to pull that thing down. Okay. This is a tight home, boy. It looks really, really nice. There is a closet there, and then here is your good sized laundry room with additional cabinetry, sink. Got some counter space there, and then your washer dryer would go around this wall. There's a pocket door here to close that. And then there's, on this side of the house, 2 bedrooms and 1 bath, okay? So pretty standard sized bedrooms here, closets. This one's got 2 windows since it is in the corner. And then this bedroom right next to it. Okay, there's your closet area. Backing up, right next to this is gonna be your other full bathroom. Okay, and then this has got a nice size walk-in shower. And they're putting the tile all the way up, which is really nice. Okay, so it just kind of winds around and stops here. Again, just a nice job with the tile guys, okay? All right, so let's wind on around. We're gonna go to the back of the home. And this is where your other bedroom is and your other full bath. So this would be the 4th bedroom. Nice size bedroom. I know it's hard to tell from the video, but it's really nice size. Got the fan full blown here. Then again, you've got double closet doors just like you do on the other bedrooms too. Now the 3rd bath will be about the same size as the other one. And then again, a walk-in shower, tile, very similar to the one I just showed you. You can kind of see. And again, you're gonna put a nook table here, something to fit right in that corner. All the modern lighting, so just, this is really where you live. Just so pretty, nice, huge, open. And I'm gonna complete the tour with, let me just get this opened up here. So when you first walk out, let me just kind of get over here in the corner to give you an idea of the size of this patio. Again, all pavers. Now, this is the staple, beautiful wood ceiling that Hulbert always does on their patios. It's just gorgeous with a great exterior fan. Again, you could add a pool. You've got street lights in here. And again, this is a rare place in South Lakeland. You can actually see part of North Lakeland from here. Through those trees, you can see Winter Haven. And there's some places you can see North Lakeland through there too. So really, really nice. You've got another couple homes being built over this way. So I hope this gives you an idea of this floor plan, of this design. I think I've showed you pretty much everything. So if you have any questions, you'd like to see more of this home, would like to see set up a showing with myself or one of my team members, I'd love to talk to you. My number is 863-647-8600. Brian Stephens, just remember this, whether selling or buying, you gotta call Brian. Have a great day.